How to change delivery address on H&M app. So, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change your delivery address on H&M app. So, please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can visit the H&M website using the link down there in the video description below, or you can download the app on Google Play Store and App Store. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, you can do this on the website as well as in the app. So, what you're going to do is by going to your account first. So, you can just click my account on the top right corner, and under your account just go to your account settings, so right here. So after you click account settings, just scroll down until you find address book and just click edit. And after you click edit, as you can see, this options will appear. So there will be billing address and delivery address. As you can see, I don't have any address, so I'm just going to add my first address. So right here I can provide my details, my personal details, my state, my city, my district, and my postcode. And after I input all of this one, I can just click save, and then click save again to verify it. And after you add your shipping address, as you can see, it will be listed under the delivery address. And if you want to edit or change something on your address, just click edit again, and just modify again right here. And after you're done modifying it, just click save again, and yeah, that's it. That's how you can add or change address on H&M. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.